are you?
I'm doing well, and thank you so much for inviting me.
We are really glad that you have, given your precious time to come here and just discuss about like how your experience has been with super sourcing. I would like to ask you, you are using this platform, and currently we are really glad that you got an opportunity. One project you got as a converted. At the same time, you got the client. So, how your experience has been with us on super sourcing?
My experience was amazing because I'm using this platform for more than 5 months so far, and luckily I got two customers that I got converted, and one is from the ERP platform, another one is from the taxi application, and 2-3 conversations are still on with those clients.
Great. So, can you please explain like how this process has been helpful to you? Like the super sourcing has quite different concept than other platforms, and we are really making sure like you guys are getting the best out of it. So we make sure like we take this onboarding process with you where we understand your work, and at the same time the system completely is automated. So that is how it is helping you in finding the relevant clients. So, as per your experience, could you please tell me like how it has been helpful to you?
I think in terms of business, it is amazing platform because when client approach through super sourcing, so they are already educated because they have already done a lot of research and analysis about the agency. I remember when I go through with the onboarding process. So onboarding process is very easy, and the second thing, whatever the projects you're listing on super sourcing, that has been verified from the team, not only from the front end but from the back end. So that process is super amazing, and that means like for a customer, they can say like they're dealing with the authentic agencies, not only authentic agencies but the work they have done. So those work is also very authentic.
That's great. That's great. I will just ask you, like, there are certain things, when we talk about super sourcing, like we do not, you can say, appreciate bidding process. There is no bidding, no commission. At the same time, you are getting repetitive business. So, how much you agree with this?
I'm completely agree because I'm into sales for more than 12 years now, and I have used Upwork, Freelancer, and other platform for the bidding. So if you know about Upwork, so currently Upwork is charging almost 20-25 percentage, and they're charging not only in commission from the clients but as well as from the customer. So no one wanted to give this much of commission to any of the platform or the agency. So in that case, I would say support sourcing is a great idea because you don't have to give any commission. Client is already educated, and if you are expert in e-commerce platform, or if you are expert in on-demand delivery services platform, so definitely you have a lot of things that you can show directly to the customers because you already built those kind of modules, and the designs, everything, because they already know like they are going to ask you for the e-commerce, so your portfolio is already ready. So it is very easy in terms of reducing the sales cycle through this platform.
That's great. That's great to hear from you, like how this is helping you, and we hope like you get more and more opportunities in future. Can you please tell me like what is the unique area on super sourcing which you feel like this is the best part of super sourcing, and how much you are going to recommend it to other agencies also?
So unique area is again the onboarding process because it takes very less time for the onboarding process, and the second thing, the requirement is very filtered because before receiving the requirement you already know what customer wants. So this is very unique. So I would like to recommend support sourcing to everyone, especially for the startups and the agencies who are into this business for a long time, because they already have done a lot of research and all those things. So that's why.
So usually whenever we hear such things like about the platforms, so there is a the basic success rate of the services that they provide you. So how the services in terms of if you get any issues or if you find any concerns, then what is the resolving time they usually take?
I think resolving time is very fast. I would say 24 hours, within 24 hours. And sometimes when I felt or when our team felt some difficulties in the platform, so on real-time basis also we have got the solution. So this is the best part because you can launch the product, but the support after services is very important.
Right.
So I would say the team of super sourcing is not only taking care of following with the agencies, but with the customers as well about their experience. So this is very unique concept. I like it.
That's really great to hear from you. I mean, I was just going through this process, and even I was understanding like how the different models are somewhere making difference and how we are making difference. But thank you so much for helping us in understanding in a better way. Thanks for your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time as well.
Thank you.